On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2016 Georgetown 369DS. The stunning paint package gives you the most distinctive coach in the marketplace. Step inside this luxury motorhome by Forest River and you will find maximum comfort and spaciousness with the double slide-outs. To the left of the entrance there is an extended solid surface countertop, stainless steel double kitchen sink, 3-burner range, and residential refrigerator. The TV and fireplace are angled and can easily be viewed and enjoyed from the L-shaped sofa with plenty of room to stretch out. The large slide in the main living area also holds a comfortable dinette and lots of overhead cabinet space. Proceeding down the hall, there is a half bath on the left, then the bedroom featuring a king-size bed on a slide with cabinet space above. The Model 369 floor plan is the epitome of true comfort on the road. In the master bath you will find a toilet, double sinks, linen cabinet, corner shower, and a closet for towels or toiletries. This 2016 Georgetown equips you with everything you need for your travels. All you need is to pick the destination. We have hundreds of pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.